Welcome back. In news overseas now, an urgent public health alert has been issued after a deadly meningitis outbreak in Kent, with health workers across England urged to look out for signs of infection. The UK Health Security Agency issued the alert as a vaccination program targeting about 5,000 students began at the University of Kent following an outbreak thought to have originated at a nightclub in Canterbury. A 21-year-old student and Juliet, a sixth form at Queen's Elizabeth Grammar School in Faversham, have died, with the number of confirmed and suspected cases now at 20. The UK HSA alert is unusual but has been used in recent years for mpox and other public health-related issues. And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.